What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see on the table, we have a big old box, which means it's monthly knife club day. Came early this month, so I'm very happy. I cut my finger messing with one of my knives. Happens to the best of us. We always have to keep band-aids on hand, us knife people. But hey, I'm human. It happens. Not as much as it used to. But anyway, already pre-cut open the box, but I'm going to try to fish the card out. And I haven't been disappointed with these guys ever, so it's right on top. Nice. I think I saw a Wii in there. Uh-oh. Yeah, so even last month I thought I was disappointed with that with the KB Steel Tool, but came to love it. So they know me better than I know myself, apparently. The plan is $189 a month plus shipping, handling, $200 a gamble. You know, some people say it's not worth it, but like I said, everything they've ever sent me has been pretty dope. So let's go over and see what we got. Okay, so looking like we got a sticker. They always send a sticker, and that they say it's free, but you know, a $5 sticker. They are pretty nice. So this one's going to be a Cyber T-Rex. That must be pretty cool. Then we're getting a Penguin glow-in-the-dark PVC patch. All right, glow-in-the-dark design, hook and loop, durable PVC construction, bold raised detailing. $8.95. It's like a throw-in, but I like PVC patches. So yeah, it should be pretty cool. Anyway, then we get a cotton packed EDC pouch made out of nylon. That were their compatible mounting system, YKK, dual YKK zippers, or high quality two-way zippers. All right, cool. $14.95 value. I do have a few EDC pouches, so I might just give this one away. We'll see. But yeah, I might give it in my next giveaway. So, all right, what's next? A Wubin pen flashlight. All right, so 650 lumens, 4 lighting modes, high, medium, low, and moon. Type 3 hard anodized, scratch rust proof. Flexible power, rechargeable, or AAA batteries, $25 value. I do like Wubin lights. I have a couple, and I do like them. I have this one. This is the one I got off, I think I got out of a box a couple months ago, and I really like this light. It's very, I don't know, it's just a good EDC light with a switchable, you know, switchable clip like that and everything. It's really nice. It's a nice little light. So I do like Wubin. All right, here we go to the knives. Kubey Atlas 14C, sheepsfoot blade, blue G10 handles. That's going to be nice. I like blue. Ambidextrous, ceramic bearing, liner lock, satin finish. So it's $64 to $80 value. And Kubeys are awesome, so I should be happy with that. And then we come to the main player, the WeKnife Soothsayer. Not sure if I'm familiar with that one, but 20 CV, titanium handle, copper foil. Sounds dope. Cage ceramic bearing pivot and frame lock, $220 to $289 value. Okay, now I'm excited. Love WeKnives, love Kubeys, love Wubins, love patches and pouches, and love stickers. So this should be a good box. I'll keep that handy so I can look at it on the side there. Let's open this box up. I'm actually going to take the box off the table and pull these things out one by one. All right, so starting with the sticker, if I can pull it out of here. Sorry if my voice is trailing. I'm not facing the mic. Where is it? There we go. And there's our little Cyber T-Rex sticker. That's pretty cool. The colors are like kind of like that 90s color kind of thing. Pretty neat. I like the purple. But it's not reflective or anything, but that will go on my sticker board, which I already purchased and will be putting together here soon. Just a simple canvas that I got that I'm putting all my stickers on and put on a wall. Next, we got this cute little dude. I'm going to take this out of the plastic, not pouch. Take it out of the plastic. And nice little PVC pouch. Got the Velcro on the back. You can put that on your, put that on your little EDC pouch or whatever. Nice little penguin. Got the little knife there. That's cute. Cool, cool. Let's put that there. Put the other sticker there. Cool. And if I give that, you know what? If I give the EDC pouch away, I'll give this little patch with it. I think that's cool. Yeah, we'll do that. Speaking of that, here is the PVC pouch. Okay, it comes in a Ziploc, so I'll take it out. No, looks like a no-name. Yeah, just a no-name little pouch. But nice construction. All right, cool. Look at that. Got your zippers on there. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, you can put all kinds of stuff in there. Nice little pouch. Looks like it's waterproof. Nice canvas material. Got little bands on the outside. Yeah. Pretty nice little pouch. And I guess you can put that on your belt. Heck yeah, dude. And then look at that. Perfect. All right, so yeah, I'm going to give this away as a package little giveaway. when I do my next, probably my 300 subscribers. See, I'm getting pretty close, so figure 300 subscribers, I'll give this little pouch away, plus a couple knives, and whatever hell else I want to throw in there. Definitely some stickers. Let's get this thing back in there. So yeah, I'll give this thing away, and someone will be able to enjoy that. So look, little package deal for my next giveaway. And what's next? Next, we got the Wubin. Nice little pen light. Let's get that open. Who we got over here? Bring out the Bazubin. Get that open. All right. Let's take a look at this thing real quick. And again, I do have a lot of flashlights, so do I have any pen lights? Yeah, I think I do. All right, could be a pain in the butt, aren't you? Let's get this thing out of here. Take a quick look at it, and you know what? I might give this away too, just because I'm in a giving mood. And like I said, when I get to 300 will probably be about the same size giveaway I just did this last time. So let's get this little guy out of here. Won't mess with it too much. Keep it nice and pretty. And yeah, so it's got remove battery installation sheet. Okay, so let's see, it's probably here in the butt of the thing. Yeah, it is. And what do they actually have in here? Are they rechargeable? Just regular. Okay, so it's got rechargeable in there already. Very nice 600 mAh battery. But you could use AAA's on top of that if you want to keep some of those handy. And it's already on. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh, ooh. So you got 4 lighting modes. That being moonlight right there. You can barely see it. Low, medium, high. Very bright. Very cool pen light. I might keep this. This is pretty neat. I could actually put this in my pocket at work. We'll think about it. If I don't give this flashlight away, then I'll give out something else. But yeah, there's your little USB. Is it USB-C? I think you just got to pop the clip off. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with it right now, but I'm pretty sure he's got the little charging thing there. So that's probably where you charge. Just pull off the clip. Nice little clip on it. Very cool color. I like that green. So you know what, guys? I'm sorry. I'm probably going to keep this one. I need a decent pen light, so I'll probably keep this one, but I'll fish through my flashlights. I have a few, and I'll give you guys something. But this one I'm keeping, for sure. For now, until I get tired of it. Cool. So next, we're going to get the Kubey out. All right, nice Kubey little knife here. Can't wait to see it. Feels pretty heavy. It doesn't really have any of the stats on it as far as, oh, okay. I think I like it already. Doesn't have any of the stats on it as far as the size and weight and all that, but it's looking like a decent sized knife. Let's pull it out of here. And Kubey likes to seal their things shut. So again, still have the Bazubin open. Let's pop that in there. Very sharp, the Bazubin, by the way. Kind of surprised how sharp that blade is. Oh yeah, this looks really cool. This is nice. This is definitely my speed right here. Let's take a quick tour of this guy. Get all this crap off the table. All right, so G10 scales. It's kind of like a, I don't know what kind of blue you call that. It's just like a grayish blue kind of color. Very nice, not overpowering, not a bright blue. Got your little Kubey mark there. Let's pop this thing open. Oh yeah, nice sheep's foot blade, 14C satin. Very nice. The fuller's right there. Let's mess with the action. Oops, very cool. Reverse flick all day. Regular thumb open. Very nice. Very good action. Just like Kubey does. We know how they do it. Let's check the blade wiggle. Non-existent. Let's look at that jimping. It's actually, it looks aggressive, but it's very, no, it's good. It's good jimping. Perfect jimping. Ergos. I can feel the clip in my hand. It's not bothersome, but I can feel a little bit. The fullers go all the way down. Very nice looking blade. Let's see how sharp that thing is. Very sharp out of the box. Got the little liner lock going on there. Looks pretty good. The lockup's nice. Let's hear the lockup. Ooh, nice. How are the acoustics on it? Pretty good acoustics. No tings, none like that, but oh, drop shut like crazy. Centered up. Yes, it is too. Very good scales. Very good machining. Got that nice pattern. Let's look at the pattern real quick. Let's get a close-up of the blade real quick. Let's do that. So yeah, Kubey billboarding. Just a little bit. Nice little Kubey mark there. On the back, looks like you got a designer mark and a 14C. Very, very cool. Oh yeah, let's look at the clip real quick. Deep carry all day. Screws are flush. No problem. Perfect clip. This is nice. This is a cool knife. I'm liking it. The blade shape, everything about it is my speed. Perfect. Yes. Monthly Knife Club, you are good people. So we'll leave that out. Actually, let's close it up so I don't get wild and cut myself again. All right. What is next? Next is our final entrant into this month's Monthly Knife Club. Oh, super excited. They're saying this thing goes from 220 to 289. Prime, premium materials. I almost said prime materials. Let's look at our stuff here. Yep. It's got the copper foil carbon fiber, words. Copper foil carbon fiber inlay. Black stonewash CPN. Oh, that's going to be nice. Black titanium handle, all blacked out. Oh, I'm excited. If I can get the freaking box open, that would be nice. So let's get that part out of here. I will not be giving this away. Well, you know what? I plan for when I get the big milestone, say 500 or something like that, I'm going to give away something, premium. Probably something with, something that costs about $200. So I'm not sure if it's going to be this one, but it'll be something in my collection. So in typical WE Civivi and Sencut fashion, we have our little love your new knife thing, little information packets. We have our nice wiping cloth. Another, oh, look, a little catalog. WE knives are amazing. Nice wiping cloth. Our WE sticker. I have some of these, so I'll give this away in a giveaway. I definitely have a bunch of WE stickers, but let's get the pouch out and stop our talking. Let's get this out. Nice little zipper pouch, embroidered. Oh boy, I am liking this already. I can tell. Heck yes. I have a similar WE knife. Let me see where, if I can pull it out. I don't know where it's at right now, but I have a smaller WE knife with similar kind of carbon fiber foil thingy. Oof, look at this guy. Almost looks like a little slip joint, doesn't it? Kind of cool. It's got the fuller sheet. Can I get off there? Yep. Oh, buddy. And it's a frame lock, but this inlay is covering it, so it acts like a liner lock, you know what I mean? So you're not going to have problems when you're opening it. Nothing like that. Smooth action all day. Reverse flick. Easy money. The action is phenomenal. Oh, this is freaking nice. All right, let's look at this blade and stop playing before I cut myself again. Look at that blade. So 20 CV steel, very nice stonewash, black stonewash finish. The little, little notches there. You won't really want to call them fullers, I don't think. Nice little draw point. It's just a very nice looking blade. Sharp, hell yeah, super sharp, super sharp. Jimping. The jimping's kind of mild. Let's hold it, but it works. Definitely works. Ergos, very good. Blade play, non-existent. Just overall, oh my god, this is zero billboarding on the blade. Zero. It is naked. A nice naked blade. You got your little WE mark there on the pivot. These scales. Let's close the blade up real quick. Oh man, let's do that again. That's nice. It just poof, clicks right in. This is nice. So anyway, let's look at our scales and everything. The copper foil and carbon fiber inlays. Just look at that. Isn't that nice? Just looks topographic. Hardware, flush as can be. Open construction. Everything's anodized. Everything's got that like bronze anodization on it. Other side, pivot screw, everything, like I said, has got that bronze anodization. Can't word right now. Clip, screws are flush, centered. Damn right it is. Very, very nice WE knife. Very light, titanium. Very nice knife. Very nice. Is this reversible? Yes, it is. It is reversible, and so is this one. So I forgot to mention that. Man, they nailed it this time for sure. Both of these knives, to me, are amazing. Wow. I'm at a loss for words. Very nice this month. Very happy. Let's get everything out again so we can look at it just one last time. I'm not going to compare anything or do any really in-depth stuff, but where's everything? Did I lose it already? Did I lose that flashlight? Where did I put the flashlight? There it is. So, yeah, we got cool flash. They nailed it this month. Got a flashlight there. Where's the pouch? Pouch in the bag. Got the sticker right there still. Got the little pouch, little penguin pouch there. That's what we're calling it because it's got the penguin on it already. But very pleased, very happy. This is going to be given in my next giveaway for sure. We'll work on the other things when it comes to that. But Monthly Knife Club, thank you so much. You hooked me up again. Definitely worth the money, I think, this month for sure. If you guys got any questions, hit me up in the comments. Anything like, comes to mind if you want to ask questions about, anything they do at Monthly Knife Club. I'm pretty savvy with all that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and joining me in my exciting day. All my veteran brothers and sisters, thank you so much for everything you've done, and all you active duty guys and girls. Keep it up. I love you guys. All right, see you guys in the next video.